Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing the dried paint container and confirming type, acrylic, enamel, or oil-based, because the reactivation method depends on chemistry. Once done, pour a small measurable amount into a clean cup to observe tack and separation. This tells you how far it is dried. Then choose solvent, water for acrylic, mineral spirits or paint thinner for oil-based, alcohol for some enamels. Mix gradually, stir gently to avoid air bubbles, and watch for uniform texture before more solvent. You now work to soften and restore workable texture by adding solvent in small, controlled increments, 5 to 10% at a time, because overthinning wastes paint and weakens film. Mix for 30 to 60 seconds, then rest. Observe whether solids dissolve or clump. Once softened, pass the paint through a fine strainer or nylon stocking to remove any skin or particles. This ensures smooth application. Finally, perform a drip test or brush spread to confirm the viscosity is correct for your tool, and adjust accordingly. You finish by applying thin, even coats. Thin films level better and reduce tack. Allow proper flash time between coats so solvents escape, and cure fully. Once applied, increase airflow and gentle heat only if safe, because faster evaporation helps film formation but can cause cracking if too rapid. If the paint reseparates or shows persistent lumps, try rebinding with a small amount of fresh paint of the same chemistry. Otherwise, discard the batch to avoid failure. One tip: test a small patch before committing to the whole surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.